What is Stats for Nerds on YouTube and how you can use Stats for Nerds? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable Stats for Nerds and how you can use it and what it is. So, Stat for Nerds is a YouTube feature that displays information about a video while it plays. Now, this information can include dropped frames, your device information, your video ID, your buffering rate, and so much more. So, to turn on Stats for Nerds, what you'll need to do is head over to your YouTube and then head over to you on your bottom right corner. And after you're there, you'll need to tap on the settings on the top right. And after you tap on the settings, head over to General. After you head over to the General, you will see Stats for Nerd right around here. Now by default, this is always turned off, so head over to General to turn it on. So after you've turned that on, you can head over to any video, tap on the settings on the top right corner of the video, and head over to Additional Settings. After you're on Additional Settings, you will see Stats for Nerds. Tap on Stats for Nerds and this will be displayed on your device's video on the top. As you can see right here, you can see the ID, the CPN, your volume, your mystery, your audio, your video, and many more information. So that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.